Okay. Okay. You know how we're talking about these tomatoes. You can't buy these in the store. I don't care how much you pay for them. You're not going to get this flavor in a store. You just won't get it. They're just unbelievable to taste. You don't even have to do that, but you know me, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to that. Now look at here. The flavor in these are just unbelievable. It tastes like you cooked them with something else. And if you do want to put sugar on them, you can, but you really don't have to. You can just eat them like that. Make sure and catch us next time on Shawn and Peggys Kitchen.